Hey guys, in today's video we're going to kill two birds with one stone. We're going to do an unboxing of a 3/4 inch Makita hammer drill, and I'm going to show you how to put a wedge anchor into concrete. So stick around. So all this video goes to another project that I'm doing, so keep a lookout for that. But all I'm doing is marking the area there I want my hole, and then I begin drilling it. I have my drill set on the hammer setting, and you'll feel it kind of hammering as it goes in and everything. So that's all I'm doing. I drill it a little bit, pull it out, I vacuum it up. I vacuumed it with the suction, and then I put it to the blowing setting. That kind of helped get a lot of that dust out of the hole a little bit better than the suction did. So you'll kind of see me doing that. But you want to clear out that hole as much as you can before you put in your anchor. That way you're not running into any of those particles. And here I'm just kind of finishing up the hole and cleaning up the hole. It's on that blowing setting. I grab my anchor and my bracket, line it up, and then I just take my anchor, put it in the hole, use a hammer, and just kind of tap it down into that hole. Just like that. And the next thing I do is I grab my socket wrench and tighten up the nut on that bolt. And what that does is that will draw that anchor tight into that concrete. It'll pull that wedge up and really wedge it in there, hence the name wedge. And that is it. You have successfully anchored a wedge anchor into your concrete, and you are ready to kind of take it from there. Now make sure you're watching out for the rest of this project. I just wanted to share this as a small piece of how to do this if this is all you really wanted to watch. So let's talk about this drill. I will just let you know I'm not happy with it. I'm going to be taking it back. Every single time that I tried to keep it on the hammer setting, it would flip back over to the drill setting. So I'm giving this one a thumbs down. Hopefully the next one I get will be a bit better, but unfortunately this one I did not like, and I will be taking it back. But that is it for the video, guys. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment. And if you have this drill and it's worked out for you, make sure that you let me know that in the comments, or let me know that if it's been absolutely horrible too. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Take care.